dance, baby.
So today I'm gonna be doing a car tour and a decorate with me, and yeah, yes y'all, and I'm with my friends, y'all. I'm with them, so they're gonna be with me the whole thing. I'm at her house though. Look her toes. But yes, so we're gonna go wash and clean my car, and I'm gonna show you my HondaCivic 2022. But it's in there. Yeah. I don't think it was in there though.
Where's it gonna be?
But
Oh, you just cut it out.
So yeah. Yeah. So yes, guys, we finna go to the car wash. This is my car, y'all. Ain't different. I'm gonna show y'all how my car look when I get there to the place. Come on, man, it's hot.
I didn't feel like fixing it. Destiny's driving. Deja in the back seat. So we going. Y'all go see the before. It's got all kind of stuff. And she got all kind of stuff right here. But we're going to clean it.
Her stuff is right there. And we got the decorations and everything.
Yes, and the decorations is in the back seat. So we Destiny driving. Daisy's in the back seat. We're going to clean her car. Destiny's car. This is gonna be all gone. All this right here gonna be gone. Money. All that's gonna be gone.
So right now, guys, I'm at the car wash. Look my steering wheel. This is getting taken off because I'm gonna show y'all the inside of my car and everything. Yeah, we in the car wash. I'm gonna go wash my car, and yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I look inside too. So I'll get back to y'all when I get up there at the painting and in the car wash.
She paying for her stuff right now, y'all.
Can I do $6?
So yeah, y'all. She just paid for the car wash. Now we're going through. Finna get crunk.
We finna start vacuuming and everything, y'all. And yeah, so let me set the phone up. vacuuming, y'all. We clean our whole car. And it smells like Lysol. It smells good. Disinfect the whole thing.
Look at this.
So I'm gonna show y'all everything. I'm gonna show y'all my whole outside of the car and everything when we stop somewhere.
We're going to get the
Bluetooth thing for the car, you know. And I got this Honda thing to go on my little steering wheel. It's a Honda. Yeah, y'all can see. I think I could. But yeah. This license plate for that car. And I got the key thing right here. And I have a charging piece. And I go for the iPhone 12 thing to the regular iPhone 12. So you're not gonna be bleeding in my car. Okay, let's start decorating. So what I put a car? I mean, what I put? Let's turn the camera on.
Good. So just start it all over and turn it.
It's not gonna
Press the pause button.
No, first let's go to the back to do the light.
Bitch, there's no pause button. You know you got a license plate in your car? In your trunk?
Oh no, I'll give it away.
It's in your trunk though.
But it's mine.
Oh, alright.
God damn. Bitch, I need a screwdriver. Bitch, I stand clean! No, fuck my thing. Okay, guys. This is my car.
My 2022 HondaCivic.
Ices, it was out of order. So ice cream it is, I guess.
Okay, so I got this steering wheel. So I'm gonna put the steering wheel on, y'all. I hope it fits.
Far away. That's what she put it.
I'm gonna put the steering wheel on. Which way should I put it? This way, yeah. Okay, this is the only one that I have left, and I'm not gonna put it on nothing because I don't have nothing to put it on, you know.
Cause she already got it right here. Another one right there. So.
Oh, and I have my lights.
Oh yeah.
What's the lights?
Oh, lights.
Another thing on there, the dashboard. You see what it says. I have my car decorations right here, y'all, but this is the car part right here thing. I got the charger piece, the layout vents, the Bluetooth menu, settings. I mean FM radio. Yeah. The vent. I got Apple CarPlay on my stuff, everything. This is the
sports mode
stuff. You can put it in sports mode right here. Yeah. And econ tip gas. This is the gloved apartment. I think that's what it's called. I mean compartment. And it's deep, y'all. I got everything in here, feminine stuff and everything. I forgot I didn't put my license plate yet, but that's my license plate right there. This is my back seat. It got a lot of room too. Yeah, this is my school stuff. This is my old steering wheel. I'm gonna put it in my trunk. I got my lights on here because yeah, stink people. This is my trunk. It's big enough, you know, it's big enough for me. The Rams, period. I love it. 2022. Okay. Yeah, that's what I have. I got the HondaCivic EX. I no, it's not an EX. It's a HondaCivic Sport. 2022. No, it's not a Accord. It's a HondaCivic. And this is the buttons right here. That's for the door thing. Unlock. Damn. Change the mirrors like this. They got the little button right here to pop the trunk. Oh, my mask. My lights for my car. And yeah, they got the little vent thing if you want it. No. Yeah, you can change it around. Emergency lights. Yes, it worked. Yeah, this go right here. And yeah. You see these right here? They don't fit right here. So I have to put it right here. Yeah, this the back. This I'm forgetting something to show.
The mirrors?
The mirrors, yeah. They got this mirror like this. No light. You gotta put the lights on right here. They got a light in the middle, up here. Yeah. What is that up there? Blanket, leather, whatever. But yeah, that's what I have.
What's that for?
What is that? The
So
seat
that's
belt.
just pregnant.
Okay, yeah, and that's what all I have in
And the
here.
seatbelts go up and down.
Now I'm finna show y'all my lights.
The AC.
Yeah, they. So this is the lights, y'all.
You could just saw it at nighttime. It's gonna you're not gonna be able to tell.
So I put the lights in my car, though, y'all. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna show y'all at nighttime, though. Hold on. What the? Y'all can kind of. Never mind. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get home.
When it's dark.
Yeah, when it's dark, so I can show y'all the rest of my car. So bye. So y'all, I'm back at nighttime, and this is how my car look with the lights off.
In the back.
They got it in the back too, but I don't think y'all can see the back. But that's how I look, y'all. And y'all can't see me, but yeah, I'm finna go home though, y'all. So I'm gonna be back at y'all when I get home. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and I didn't end my vlog off last night. I was too tired, but I was trying to like, comment, subscribe to my video, and stay tuned for October because it's my birthday month. Oh my god, I'm gonna have vlogs after vlogs on my birthday vlog, so y'all just stay tuned for that. And yeah, I look bad right now. I look very bad, but y'all will see. Love y'all.
Baby.